Hello everyone, and welcome to Startup Department. In this video tutorial, we will walk through the TubeBuddy free plan versus VidIQ free plan. So watch the video until the end to know my final verdict on who is best. So let's dive right in. Both TubeBuddy and VidIQ are popular browser extensions designed to enhance your YouTube experience. They offer free versions with various services, as well as premium plans with additional features. Let's dive into the details. TubeBuddy offers a broader range of tools for channel management. It covers aspects beyond video optimization, including analytics, productivity, and promotion. On the other hand, VidIQ primarily focuses on video optimization and competitor analysis. Its strength lies in providing detailed insights for keyword research and SEO analytics. Keyword research. TubeBuddy, free version, displays the top 3 keyword results for up to 25 searches per day, which can be very limited for large content creators. On the other hand, the VidIQ free version also has 3 related keyword features. It also has a deep search of keyword competition, score, and trends. VidIQ's keyword research tools are highly efficient, offering in-depth insights and long-tail keyword suggestions. Therefore, VidIQ is very useful because it offers more details to grow a startup channel. Insight. VidIQ's competitor analysis feature helps you to track the progress of your competitors more deeply, and also helps you to know the strategies they're using to grow their channel. TubeBuddy's free plan does not offer the competitor analysis feature, so you will need to manually check the details of competitors' channels to know their strategy. Therefore, VidIQ is more confident in this category. So who is best suited for... If you're just starting out, TubeBuddy might be your go-to choice for its ease of use. However, if you're focused on video optimization and competitor analysis, VidIQ offers powerful keyword research tools and SEO analytics. Ultimately, consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing between the two. So, who is the overall winner? I think VidIQ is best for all types of channels due to its deep search and analysis. I also like its competitor analysis feature, which helps a channel to design their strategies according to its competitor to rank higher. However, I also like the TubeBuddy features that are more than VidIQ in the free version. So this becomes helpful if you're new to YouTube. In my opinion, VidIQ is the overall winner. Feel free to check out the product links in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information. Thanks for watching.